Jeff FEASEL. I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of Halifax Health, and we're here to honor our heroes for the Valor Awards here in West Volusia.
Hello there, everyone. This is Senator Tom Wright. So thankful to be here today for the 3rd annual Valor Awards for our first responders. I've teased them, we couldn't be in a safer spot than we are here today with all these men and women that take care of us each and every day. Looking forward to giving them all some good praise.
First responders are my favorite people because this world would not be a place I want to be without them. I'm happy to support this event, and it is one of the highlights of my year to be a part of this.
Turnout is amazing today, and I just thank the West Volusia Regional Chamber and all of the sponsors for coming out here and honoring our first responders. This is so important that we show support from our community to all the first responders all across Volusia County.
Hey, I just want to thank the West Volusia Chamber of Commerce and the City of Deltona for opening up this beautiful facility to honor our first responders. And anybody who watched this and saw the incredible acts of bravery and heroism, just a snippet of what goes on in this county.